I was in total shock.
Mrs. Norris,
Mrs.
what do you
Norris.
What do you feel?
I feel amazing. I can't believe it. These are our vows on April 17th, 2026.
Can't believe it. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. We're gonna get married in like 4 hours?
3 hours of getting married.
3 hours.
Yeah.
Unofficial maid of honor here. The bride is getting ready.
It means the world to us that everybody came from all over the country, all over the planet to be with us and celebrate our wedding. So thank you. We love you guys, and you've only made our special day that much better. Thank you.
Thank you for allowing us all to be present today, to be witnesses to this beautiful couple's, David and Sonia, Mr. and Mrs. Norris, their beautiful marriage and wedding ceremony.
First time husband and wife. You're at the reception now.
Like your hair is perfection. The dress is perfection.
The ring.
Really beautiful. I
Really sweet.
love you so much.
Good job.
Forever.
Love you.
Quiero mucho.